The overhand loop or overhand knot on a byte is a simple and fast method to make a loop in the middle of a line. By the end of this video you know how to tie the overhand loop, so stay tuned. First we show you a quick instruction video on how to tie the overhand knot. And then we slow things down and show it again step by step. Alright, let's tie the overhand knot. First we form a byte in the line. The size of the byte determines the size of the loop, so if you want a bigger loop, then you have to take a bigger byte. Next we take the tip of this byte and go underneath the standing part of the line to form a loop. You are basically tying the simple overhand knot, but then on a byte. That's why it's called the overhand on a byte. Now we take the tip of the byte and feed it through the loop we just have created. All you need to do now is dress the knot and then set it or pull it tight. And there is your finished overhand knot on a byte. Don't worry if this was a little too fast. Next we will show it again with clear step-by-step pictures. Oh, and before I forget, if you liked this video and found it useful, please hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel. Alright, the overhand knot on a byte step by step. First, take a byte of line. Next, take the tip of this byte and go underneath the two standing parts as shown in the picture. This will create a loop. Now take the tip of the byte and pull it through the loop. Pull the knot tight to finish the loop. And there is your finished overhand loop. The overhand loop has many purposes. Where do you use it for? Let us know in the comments below. Have a great day and thank you for watching.